Students, this is the third video of 30th July. We'll be doing lesson number 6, past tense of your grammar textbook. Okay, you can open your grammar textbook. Open page, open lesson number 6. Okay, so this is your lesson number 6, past tense. I'll be explaining today the past tense slideshow. Okay, the past tense. Let us read this quick question. When did you learn to write? Where did you go during the summer vacations? What was the last book you read? So, what tense did you use to answer these questions? It is the past tense. Next, uses of past tense. To talk about something that happened in the past. Okay, I studied at a boarding school in Chennai while my parents lived in Hyderabad. So, studied is a past tense. The farmer sold all the corn. Sold. Selling ka past tense sold. The kites were flying proudly in the sky. The kites were flying at that time. Okay, not now, but they were flying at that time. We had walked till we reached the pyre. Okay, so they kept walking and walking. They walked till they reached the pyre. The workers had been counting the goods in batches. They are counting, that means they had started counting and they were counting at the time till this lesson. Before that also it was mentioned. Okay, so these are different types of past tense. I studied at boarding school is a simple past tense, यानी मैंने वहां पढ़ा. Okay, farmer sold all the corn, farmer ने बेच दिया corn, it is a simple past tense. The kites were flying, it is a past continuous tense. We had walked till we reached the pyre, it is past perfect tense. And last is past perfect continuous, that means it had been happening before and later on also it was still happening, इसीलिए वो workers had been counting जो है वो past continuous, past perfect continuous tense है. Use of past tense. To talk about something that was true for some time in the past. I lived in Delhi for 4 years. She had studied Japanese when she was in class 5. Sheena had been working at the big store in the evenings to fund her studies. So, had been working is a past continuous, past perfect continuous tense. Number 1, simple past tense. Number 2, past perfect tense. Okay. So, tenses 4 तरह के होंगे. Past simple, I studied. Past continuous, I was studying. Past perfect, I had studied. Past perfect continuous, I had been studying. इसमें n missing है. It's a typing error. Okay. I'll again go to the previous slide now. I lived in Delhi. It is a simple past tense. She had studied Japanese. It's a past perfect tense. She had been working at the big store is a past perfect continuous tense. Okay. This is how it is. We'll move to the next slide. Past simple. Okay, when you say something happened, so it is associated with certain past time expression. Okay, I saw a movie yesterday. We explored Rajasthan last year. So जब वो किसी और हम कुछ टाइम पीरियड स्पेसिफाई कर देते हैं तो भी वो पास्ट टाइम में यूज हो सकता है. ओके, येस्टरडे, 6 वीक्स अगो, 7 PM, लास्ट ईयर, ये सब टाइम पीरियड स्पेसिफाई किया जाता है. फ्रीक्वेंसी, आई सम वेट, the events, the slides are moving on automatically. Okay, now the next slide. फ्रीक्वेंसी, फ्रीक्वेंसी मतलब ऑफन मतलब अक्सर, समटाइम्स मैंने कभी कभी, ऑलवेज हमेशा. तो फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं. आई समटाइम्स वॉक टू फियोनाज हाउस. सो इट इज समटाइम्स पास्ट टेंस मेंशन किया है. I often took my pet kitten to grandma's house. If you say I often go to the theater for watching movies, so in this way it is mentioned. An indefinite point in time, sometimes you have to, आपने कोई टाइम पीरियड बताया लेकिन वो indefinite है. People wrote on papyrus leaves a long time ago. So long time ago is a indefinite period. कितना समय पहले वो नहीं बताया, बहुत समय, बहुत पुराना समय पहले. रोहन played football when he was a boy. अब ये नहीं बताया कि he was how many years old, but when he was a boy he played football. तो simple past tense फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ indefinite point in time के साथ भी यूज होता है. The past continuous tense, it describes action or events that began in the past and still going at the time of speaking. और unfinished और incomplete action के लिए भी. The sun was shining brightly, bells were ringing loudly. यानी the event had happened in the past but was still going at the time of speaking. I was reading a book in the morning. Okay, so he is specifically telling that he was reading a book in the morning. At that time, in the morning time, that event was happening. Past perfect tense expresses that something occurred before another action in the past. It can also show that something happened before a specific time in the past. Like Rani had left when I arrived at her house. I had saved some money because I wanted to buy a new bike. When they joined us, we had finished dinner. Okay, so it is connecting one event to another event which has happened in the past. Past perfect continuous tense, it corresponds to the time earlier than before now. Before now यानी अभी से पहले जो भी टाइम है वो past tense है, तो उसको वो correspond करता है. As with the present perfect continuous tense, we are more interested in the process. Okay, so the lot of emphasis is placed on the verb. The boys had been waiting, okay, for an hour. That means it is specifying a time period also, that they were waiting for more than an hour before the coach arrived. Gurpreet had been using that library for years before it shut down. That means उसने यूज करना लाइब्रेरी शुरू किया था और तब तक भी यूज करी थी जब तक वो लाइब्रेरी बंद नहीं हुआ था. Okay, so till the time the second event had occurred, this event was, the first event was continuously happening. Okay, so ये है past perfect continuous का use. So इस केस में how to form the past continuous? I had been reading, तो subject I, she होगा और verb के साथ ing लगेगा. She had been running, she hadn't been studying. Had you been sleeping? Okay, इसमें have you been sleeping नहीं आएगा, had you been sleeping आएगा. Okay, so has और have जो है वो present tense में यूज होंगे, past tense में has का भी had होगा और have का भी had हो जाएगा. Hadn't they been shifting? तो इस तरह से had been ही यूज होगा, भले वो first person हो, second person हो या third person हो. So let us do this exercise. Meena, you have to use a suitable form, whether it is past continuous, simple past, past perfect, whatever. Meena dashed for hours in the rain when she suddenly dashed a house in the distance. Meena had been walking for hours in the rain when she suddenly saw a house in the distance. Okay, first part में present, sorry, past perfect continuous और second part में simple past. The bells had been ringing in the distance as we approached the little town square. इसमें भी same explanation. First part में past perfect continuous, second part में simple past. Abhay jumped out of bed, startled as light flooded into the room. इस केस में दोनों में simple past आएगा. Shakti had called the electricity board as soon as the light went out. अब had been calling नहीं आएगा because वो as soon as है, यानी जैसे ही लाइट गई तभी उसने कॉल कर लिया, इसलिए यहाँ पे had called आएगा, यानी कि past perfect आएगा. Soham is working at the bank ever since he passed out of college. Had been working नहीं आएगा क्योंकि वो कर ही रहा है कब से, उसका वो रेगुलर काम हो गया है. Okay, so Soham was working at the bank ever since he passed out of the college. Okay, so this finishes the explanation of the lesson past tense. अच्छा, नंबर 5 में had been working भी करेक्ट होगा. Number 5 correction you can do. Soham had been working at the bank ever since he passed out of the college. वो भी सही होगा. Okay, दोनों ही सही होंगे. This finishes your explanation of lesson number 6, the past tense. In the next video, we'll start lesson 7, the future tense. Thank you.